Hi, Amy here. Today I'm going to talk about the tax impact of gifting virtual currency to your child. So this is another one of these ideas that folks come up with to try to lessen the tax impact of virtual currency gains. And the concept is, what if I give virtual currency to my kids and they sell it instead of me selling it? This can work or not, and it depends on a little detail called kiddie tax. Kiddie tax is a regulation implemented by the IRS some years ago to prevent parents from shifting investment income to their kids, thereby avoiding tax. So let me give you some of the details. If your child is under age 18 or age 18 with earned income that is less than half their support for the year, or ages 19 through 23 and full-time students with earned income that is less than half their support for the year, meaning that you're still supporting them, then the virtual currency sale is going to be subject to the kiddie tax, which means that it's going to be taxed at your tax rate, not their tax rate. There is a small exclusion of $2,100, but this is not much of an exclusion when we're talking about thousands and thousands of dollars worth of virtual currency. And any tax savings that you do have from this $2,100 exclusion may be offset by the fact that now you have to pay for your kid's tax return as well as your own. One other small detail is if you give someone more than $14,000 in any calendar year, you're supposed to file a gift tax form. Now, this is not a huge deal. There's not tax associated with the gift tax form. It's just a form, but still, you have to file it. Now, it's $14,000 per giver and per recipient. So what that means is that you and your spouse could each give $14,000 to a child, so that's $28,000. And if the child is married, you can each give $14,000 to the child and their spouse. So 14 times 4, $56,000. So that's just one limitation to bear in mind. Thanks. Don't forget that I have a book that can help you understand your virtual currency tax obligations. It's called Virtual Tax, the Taxation of Virtual Currency. It's available on Amazon and on Barnes & Noble. Now for the fine print, these are general tax principles. Talk to your tax preparer before applying any of these principles to your own tax return. I am not responsible for any tax return that I have not prepared. Hey, if this presentation was helpful for you, hit like. If not, tell me what you didn't like so that I can do better. Share this with your friends who could use the information. Thanks for listening.